Today we will be discussing simultaneous equations, or if you prefer, simultaneous equations. Today we will be looking at two equations, each having two unknown quantities, two variables, which we will refer to as x and y. Simultaneous equations can be used to solve any true-to-life problem in which there are two unknown quantities interacting with each other. So, for our example, we will use 2x plus 5y is equal to 11. This we will call equation 1. Next we have negative x plus 4y equals 1. We will call equation 2. Now, our objective is to first eliminate one of these variables by interacting the two equations. Now, if we look at equation 1, we will see a 2x. And when we look at equation 2, we will see a negative x. Now, if we multiply equation 2 by 2, we will end up with negative 2x, which will cancel the positive 2x in equation 1 when the two equations are added. So, let us do that. So, we will take equation 2 and multiply by 2, and that gives negative 2x, because 2 multiplied by negative x is negative 2x. 2 multiplied by 4y gives 8y, and 2 multiplied by 1 gives 2. Next, we will add to that equation 1. So we will write equation 1, 2x plus 5y equals 11. Let's do our addition. And negative 2x plus a positive 2x gives us 0. So we will leave this space empty. 8y plus 5y gives 13y. And 11 plus 2 gives 13. So we have 13y equals to 13, and we will eliminate the 13 by dividing each side by 13. In mathematics, whatever you do to one side of the equation must be done to the other side in order to preserve the equality. So we will divide each side by 13. And that gives y equals 1. Now that we know the value of y, we can substitute this value into any one of the equations. Looking at that, equation 2 appears to be the more simple. So we will substitute y equals 1 into equation 2. So equation 2 reads negative x plus 4y, but we know that y is equal to 1. So it will be 4 times 1, we'll put that 1 in bracket, and all of that is equal to 1. So we have negative x plus 4 times 1 is 4 equals 1. Now our next objective is to get rid of the 4, because we only want to have x on the left side of the equation. So we will subtract 4 from each side of the equation, and we will have negative x plus 4 minus 4 equals 1 minus 4. 4 minus 4 gives 0. So we will have negative x equals, now we have a positive 1 being added to a negative 4. Whenever you are adding a positive number to a negative number, the result is always the difference between the two numbers. The difference between 1 and 4 is 3. But this 3 will carry a negative sign because the larger of the two quantities is the negative. Now we have negative x equals negative 3, and to eliminate the negative sign, we multiply by negative 1. Multiplying each side by negative 1 eliminates the negative sign, and our result is x equals 3. So now we have our solution to our simultaneous equation. The solution is x equals 3 and y equals 1. Now, there are many methods, there are other methods of solving a simultaneous equation. On our next occasion, we will explore another method. Thank you very much for your time and have a good day.